Menteri Rangba ka Jylla, Konrad Sangma rangkat usambut Menteri Rangba, ba Preston Tensong, ka step singi palay kila Plie Paidbah, ya umat dur Jong MLA, bat MP Barim ka Jylla, ba Peter G Marbañiang halaj kra police point. La ban kedaw hangni, ba Peter, udairu kapa Jong ka MLA ka East Shillong, ka kong amprin lingdo, ka jing Plie yaw te umat, kalong man pensa nam yaw te urang ba, ubala no sinyang shibunya ka Jylla, kumu MP baru kumu MLA hakaleng khodap ar pusan snam gijing khlad no jong u hakate ka singi lagar khuyo te umot dor daw Archbishop Victor lingdo harangkat ka jinga dan lang baro gi khon jong ba pita ki bahing hasam ki he sarkar kenthop nadu DGP baru ki reunion
has been erected to commemorate Ba Peter G Marbañiang. We believe that he is with the Lord and enjoy bliss of his sight in the eternal kingdom. May this boast be a reminder of the good works and services has rendered to the state and society at large. Before we bless this boast, let us now listen to the word of God.
The Lord created human beings from the earth, and He makes them return to it. He gave them a certain number of days to live, but also granted them authority over everything on earth. He gave them strength like His own, and created them in His own image. He put the fear of them in all living creatures, and gave them dominion over animals and birds. The Lord gave discretion, a tongue, eyes, ears, and a mind for thinking. He filled them with knowledge and understanding, and showed them the difference between good and evil. He kept His eyes on their hearts to show them the greatness of His works. People will praise the holy name of the Lord as they proclaim the glory of His words.